Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Well, welcome back. I have met you before in Urdu class. How are you all? Happy? Enjoying? So, which is this period? Which is the subject? Yes, it's Islamiyat. We are going to learn about Islamiyat today. And what do we study in Islamiyat? About Allah, about His blessings, about prophets, about angels, about surahs, about Quran. Okay? So, Alhamdulillah, you people know it well, and I am happy that you really like Islamiyat and you enjoy learning it. Let us start our lesson with the name of Allah. But before that, I want to ask you, what are the classroom rules? Well, I didn't show you in Urdu class, then let me show you our classroom rules, okay? I really wish that these are the classroom rules. Yes. Thank God I have saved them. Looking eyes, then listening ears, and then quiet voices. Be quiet. Don't make a noise. I don't want any type of trouble. All right? I want my cute little children to sit happily, to watch happily, and to seek happily. Let us start. Before that, I want to tell you that it is our first day of week, and I have tried my best that when we have to start our first day of Islamic lecture, it should be with the name of proper Allah, with the Quranic ayahs or Quranic surahs. So today here I am with the new surah. Before that, we have done A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. How many of you know about Ta'awuz and Tasmiyah? Yes, it is learned by you. That's really great. And do you know their translations? That is wonderful. Now we are going to read the first surah of Quran today. The name of that surah is Suratul Fatiha. What is that surah name? Suratul Fatiha. Surah Fatiha. So we are having this before reciting it. I want you to watch your channel video that is made for you, specifically for you to know the pronunciation of that surah along with this translation. Okay, here it go. You can see it and you can wait, students. I just need to see something. Share screen. Oh, I didn't share the sound first. No, I'm sorry for that. Here it is. We are supposed to start our every lecture, every lesson.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين
Students, Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. What is this written? Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
الحمد لله رب
Rabbil Alameen.
العالمين الرحمن
Ar-Rahman
الرحيم
Rahim. Ar-Rahman Rahim. What is this written? Ar-Rahman Rahim.
مالك يوم الدين
Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين
Let me.
نستعين
Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
اهدنا
اهدنا
الصراط
الصراط المستقيم
المستقيم
صراط
صراط
الذين
الذين أنعمت
أنعمت عليهم
عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين
Waladwali.
آمين.
Ameen. So this is Surah Fatiha. Have you got to know that what is in it? It's about Allah's blessings. He has given us many of the things that we are thanking Him to show us the right path, to give us hundreds of blessings which are unexplainable by us. What is this? Islamiyat book, one class, first chapter, memorization and translation. We are done with Auzu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. We are done with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is our third thing, Suratul Fatiha. This is Sana. I will teach you later on. Suratul Fatiha. Okay. So we are gonna do this today. That is written Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. Today we will learn just 3 ayats of it. You need to know the translation of these ayats and then we will do next ayats in the next lesson. Bismillah Rahman Rahim translation, you know, in the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. The first line is clearly told us, the first line, in the first time we come to know that it is clearly written, all praise to be Allah. All are the praises to be Allah, Lord of the worlds, who has made this world, and He is the Lord of all the worlds, the most beneficent, the most merciful. In Bismillah Rahman Rahim, you learn the translation of the half part of Rahman Rahim is in this surah. So the translation is same. The most beneficent, the most merciful. Master of the day of judgment. Master of the day of judgment. Beneficent word is known to you. Underline it. Again, we will learn it. Praise, Lord, worlds, and judgment. These are your words. Again, we will read it and then we will read this surah again in the other chapter. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, most merciful. All praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds, the most beneficent, the most merciful, master of the day of judgment. Mean he is the master on the day of judgment. The judgment day is the day of Qiyamah when this world will be finished. He will be the one who will decide about us whether to go in Jannah or whether to go in Jannah, heaven, or whether to go in hell. So this is Surah Al-Fatiha, the first surah of Quran. We also read it in our namaz. In namaz before Surah Al-Fatiha, we always recited Sana. But I will teach you Sana later on because I really want that you should know about Surah Al-Fatiha first. Okay? Write the words, the difficult words, and then we will learn them. Beneficent. 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 Second word is praise. 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 You need to learn them like this, otherwise you are unable to learn them. Okay? Praise. 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 Third is Lord. Lord. Fourth is Lord. Lord. L-O-R-D, L-O-R-D, L-O-R-D. Words, W-O-R-L-D-S, 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 words, okay? The last but not the least word is judgment. J-U-D-G-E-F-E-N-T, J-U-D-G-E-E-F-E-N-T, J-U-D-G-E-E-G-E-M-E-N-T, judgment. Beneficent, praise Lord, world's judgment. Alhamdulillah. Before reciting Alhamdulillah, say thousand tasmiyah. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. All praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin, the most master of the day of the judgment. Master of the day of judgment. You need to revise this surah along with this translation. Next week we will be learning half part of it. Till the time you have whole week to revise three ayats of it along with this translation. Okay, children. Now I will meet you in arts class. Till the time, take care of you. Do remember, do memorize it, and do learn its translation. Take care of you.